everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up or enroll into online banking account for Barclays Bank. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.barclays.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Barclays. At the top right, click on the register link in order to sign up and enroll into your online banking account for Barclays. On the next page, go through the information first. It says that you can only register for barclays.co.uk if you live in the UK, if you are 16 years or older, and you must have a Barclays current or saving account with a bank card or a Barclays mortgage. Scroll all the way down and click on the start button at the bottom right. Now, on the next page, you'll need to fill in some of your details. Go ahead and type in your surname or your last name that appears on your recent statement for your Barclays Bank. Now, head over to the next field and type in your date of birth information. Enter your postcode on the next field. Once you type in your postcode, scroll down and under account details, choose the account type you'd like to enroll with. You can choose between current and saving account, mortgage account, or merchant account. Choose any one of them and enter your short code number that has been provided to you by your bank. Now, enter the 16-digit card number. In the card number text box, you'll be able to find your card number in front of your debit card. Under contact details, enter your email address. Make sure to enter the email address that is valid and associated with your bank account. Confirm your email by retyping it again on the next field. Click on this little box at the bottom if you want Barclays to use your email address to contact you about their products and services. After you do that, click on the next button at the bottom right. Once your informations on this page are correct, you'll be able to move on to the next page. You'll need to confirm your identification and simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to sign up or enroll for Barclays Bank. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.